Okay, here's now a chart of Bitcoin Cash. Now let's see what's going on here. So let's go back to this stage. So they had a massive ramp up. Surprise to everybody who were expecting that everyone to be starting to unload their Bitcoin Cash wallets as soon as it was given out. I certainly enjoyed mine. I saw this screaming and I was like, oof, I think I dumped it at around 6:20, 6:30 or something like that maybe. And then it did a requisite ABC correction just like you can see here. So A, B, and C. If you can find the ABCs, try to pinpoint it. Even if you're not at the bottom and you start laddering there and basically follow it down, in other words, getting better prices in your rungs, on your lower rungs, as soon as it turns up, these rungs all become profitable. Because usually with an ABC, when C bottoms, there is a reversal of trend or the resumption of the original trend, which in this case is up. Okay, and then we saw this. There was a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clearly an impulsive set of waves that you can count like so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And similar to ZEC, Bitcoin Cash loves to do this very complex, long, lethargic churning of prices type of correction. And it certainly took its time. Then it took, so here was a mini ABC, another one, sub one, another big, long, drawn out correction, and then it spikes. So this long, drawn out prediction is like a personality trait. Zec has quite a bit of it. Dash had it. A lot of the ICOs are having this phenomena, a very long, elongated, drawn out correction. And look at this. This is no different here. So we see the subwaves of 1, and we can now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So wave 1 is in. And after 5 waves, here's another very long, drawn out case. Let's draw some lines first. Here is a line of resistance that must be breached. It has to be taken out. There is no ands or buts about it. It needs to be taken out. Oops. And I think it will burst out any minute. Any minute. The amount of tension, because here's the apex, the line where these two crosses, the two lines of the cross is called the apex. And I can just see this busting out of this. I mean, the tension is building and volume is probably down to trickle to nothing. Yeah. So you look at the volume, trickle down to next to nothing. You're going to see a huge burst in volume. And you're going to see a huge rise in this. Oops. Past the prior highs. So this is an hourly chart, laddering quick. Set your ladders. In fact, I would set it up to here. So this is how I would set a ladder on this. Let's say. If you're not in already or you want to add more, that's 1, 2, 3, oh jeez, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to cut this in half. 7. There you go. Not all of it will get filled. And that's a good thing. That is the innate feature of this laddering, where since it is unlikely for all of your rungs to be filled, you will be almost quote unquote be forced to have a certain amount in cash. And that's a good thing. It's a de-risking feature. It prevents you from going all in. Ladder in this. This baby's going to blow. I mean, let's talk about a pent up of energy, and it's just going to go bye, bye, bye. This is, in fact, I want to finish this video quickly and set my ladder. So, add to it, buy into it, ladder into it. So the apex is right here. I think it might happen today. Could exceed first this peak, 544, and then the next 600, and then 720 could be taken out within a day or two. People, this is the power of technical analysis, okay? Because, let's go back to the waves. These 5 waves are subwaves of a higher degree. Wave 1. It's wave 2. And wave 3 is now starting. 3 is going to be higher than 1. To figure out how to do partial labels on this. Get the volume out of here for now. Can you say 1615? No. It's too early for me to be drinking in the morning. Didn't touch a drop last night. Too busy posting. Okay, this is how I see it for Bitcoin Cash. Bye, bye, bye.